What's good, YouTube family? This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little update on what's going on right now. As some of you probably already got the notification that there is a new video that's coming out Saturday night at 8:30. It is Saturday the Movies kicking off October along Tidewater Rails. This is going to be a really good compilation. Most everything was taken just this past week. Norfolk Southern was actually able to run a lot of trains that day. It was 11 trains that day in total on just one Thursday, which was very, very impressive. We are got a lot of different ones in there as well. We even have a couple of new features in there as well. Not going to give that away yet, but that's supposed to be out Saturday night at 8:30. Uh, I have that coming out, and I also have the October Q&A prompt that is also out. I've received a lot of comments so far on this one. This has been another really good one. The questions are really good so far. So if you have not yet submitted your questions for the October Q&A prompt, you still have a lot of time left. The last day to submit any questions is October 29th at 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, and that's when the questions will stop. October 30th, as a matter of fact, will be the day to compose the answers and get the video published, and then the video will be out for your enjoyment on October 31st, known as Halloween. So November 1st, we'll be kicking off another Q&A prompt. That will be November's. That one has already been worked. It's just going to be scheduled to come out sometime November 1st. And I do have some trips coming up soon with some new videos that will be coming out within the next several weeks. Actually, really within the next 2 weeks, as a matter of fact. I do have a couple new rail fanny trips out there as well. And then we're going to be doing a lot of good, a new CSX spot I'm going to try out. And I'm also going to go back, back on the Old Southern at some point. So we're going to be getting a lot of cool videos coming out soon. So that's just a couple updates there. I will try to get back to some trucks soon with the weather changing right now. I don't know what's really going to happen because I may do more trains in the winter than trucks. I may balance both out. So it's just going to have to be played out by ear, but I got a lot of rail stuff kind of come out this winter and a lot of stuff coming out this coming spring. So we're going to have some really busy times along the rails and trying to find some new spots, make some new friends, and get some cool action in different spots. So anyway, that is all the updates I have. There's nothing else right there from NS right now. The only thing I know is they're doing some more ACCs. They have yet to come out of Progress Rail, but I will be getting some updates here very soon. I did an update on CSX locomotives, and that is also up there for your enjoyment. So once I get some NS updates, I will be posting a new video. So anyway, that's all I have. I'm Engineer Pat 5290, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, and may God bless.